Yes, we can start.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Ratnakar Sakre, your host for today's webinar on career opportunities in mechanical and rail engineering. I welcome you all on behalf of MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research. So today's session will help us understand the rapidly evolving landscape of mechanical and rail engineering, the job prospects, required skill sets, and guidance from our expert faculty, or I can say our today's speaker, Dr. Sanjay Mane sir. So stay tuned till the end. It's going to be an engaging ride. On behalf of all the MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research faculties and all the professionals, I would like to welcome the students, the professionals, and all the attendees who are present over here for today's webinar. I welcome you all. So to formally begin with our webinar, I would request our technical team to please start World Peace Prayer.
नमो जियाद्या वेद प्रतिपाद्या जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवा तूति गणेषु सकलार्थमतिप्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारि गोदी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you. To formally welcome you all and set the tone for this event, I would like to invite Dr. Madhukar Lengre sir, Principal of MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, who has been a pillar of our support for this initiative, to present his welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, it's my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished speaker, Dr. Sanjay Mane, Head of the Department, Mechanical and Rail Engineering. We're truly honored to have you with us today. Insightful webinar on career opportunities in mechanical and rail engineering. This session is especially valuable for students who are exploring their future career paths and are eager to learn about the vast and evolving opportunities within domains of mechanical and rail engineering. Mechanical and rail engineering play a pivotal role in shaping the infrastructure, transportation, and technological landscape of our nation. From the development of advanced transportation systems to innovations in automation, energy efficiency, and manufacturing. This field offers a diverse and dynamic career prospects across both public and private sectors. Dr. Mane, your expertise coupled with your academic leadership, promise to provide our students with comprehensive understanding of the current trends, skill demands, and growth potential in this field. We deeply appreciate your willingness to guide and inspire the next generation of engineers through your valuable insights. I am confident that today's test session will leave a lasting impact on all participants and help them to make informed and inspired choices for their professional careers. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed speaker, Dr. Mane, and all the students who joined today. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and beautiful gesture of welcoming all the participants. Now it's my prime duty to introduce our today's speaker, Dr. Mane sir, who is working as the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering in MIT Gorakhpur. Dr. Mane sir, an esteemed academician and researcher currently serving as the HOD of Department of Mechanical Engineering at MIT Gorakhpur, has over 13 years of teaching experience, including 5 years of research work. Dr. Mane has made significant contributions to the field of mechanical engineering, particularly in microfluidics. Dr. Mane completed his master's degree in heat and power engineering from Shivaji University, Kolhapur in 2015, followed by his PhD in microfluidics from BITS Pilani, KK Birla, Goa campus in 2024. His research focused on microfabrication, blood cell separation at microcells, biomedical microdevices, and fluid dynamics. His exceptional work has been recognized with several prestigious awards, including the Best Teaching Assistance Award at BITS Pilani in 2024, as well as the Best PhD Thesis Award at the same institution. In addition to his teaching and research achievements, Dr. Mane has published 2 patents, 10 Scopus indexed journal papers, 8 conference proceedings, and 2 book chapters. His remarkable research also earned praise from the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, in 2023. Dr. Mane has served as a reviewer for numerous journal papers, further contributing to the academic community. We are truly honored to have him with us today, and I'm sure his insights and expertise will be invaluable to us all. So please join me in welcoming Dr. Sanjay Mane sir. And without wasting much more time, I would like to request Dr. Sanjay Mane sir to please start his session on career opportunities in mechanical and rail engineering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sakre sir, for this wonderful introduction. So I hope, am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will start the presentation, just 1 minute. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, very good morning to all for the participants, students who have joined this webinar, all faculties, parents also. So I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate all 12th standard students who had given the examinations, and I hope they have scored very well and looking for the admission. So those who are looking for the admission in engineering, so this webinar is very helpful to find a suitable stream in the engineering. So before going to the slides, I would like to tell over here from this academic year, that is academic year 2025-26, the MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, has introduced one of the unique course, that is mechanical and rail engineering, with intake capacity of 60. And this course, as well as the college, is affiliated to Punyashlok Ahilyadevi Holkar, Solapur University. So today's webinar is scheduled on career opportunities in mechanical and rail engineering. So far, you considering the engineering. So why to go for the engineering, right? That is, the engineering, this is a 4-year degree after the 12th. So this engineering prepares your mind to tackle any problem related to the society, related to the industry, related to the agricultural, related to the medical sectors. That means this 4 engineering or 4 years degree in the engineering prepares in such a way that you can find out the problem statement, you can provide the solution, and finally make it possible for the easier easiest to society, right? So that's why the engineering is very important. So in engineering you can find so many applications are there, right? That is, so many engineering fields are there. That is, civil engineers are there, computers are there, mechanicals are there, but we are here focusing on the mechanical engineering. But why mechanical engineering? Can you think? So many products are there in our neighbor, or we have surrounded by so many products or machines, and we are using it daily basis. But we are not knowing this is made by the mechanical engineers or it is connected directly with the mechanical engineering, right? If I give the examples, for example, your refrigerator, that is fridge, washing machines, the pumps which are using in Delhi, right? Compressors, all transportation vehicles, air jets, crafts, ships, that is all are linked with the mechanical engineering, right? That means indirectly, I would say you cannot survive with the machines. So what is meant by the machines? So machine, anything can reduce the human efforts. That is called as the machines, and which is comes under the category of mechanical engineering, where you can study various mechanical engineering principles and you have to apply it to provide a best suitable mechanism or linkage that forms the machines, and it is useful to do or reduce the human comforts, right? That is, so many things are there. So that means this subject is a core subject. Its subject is a versatile subject that can be applicable in any branch or in any sector. That's why I called it as it is a core subject. Nowadays, the focus is somewhat shifted towards artificial intelligence, data science, right? But still, if you automate, these are the automation processes. If still you do the automation, or if you require the automation, but you must require the mechanism, machines. That means you can automate it by using the AI or ML, but for doing the task, you must require a machine. Without machine, you cannot, or it is cannot be possible to conduct a task or to perform the task. That's why I focused it is a core branch, right? So before proceeding to the slides, I'm showing over here, that is, these are the contents of the today's presentation, that is right from introduction towards how to apply in this course, that is newly started course, mechanical and real engineering. We are going to discuss in next 20 to 25 minutes. So earlier I told you why mechanical engineers, or what he supposed to do. That is, it is very simple. As an engineer point of view or as a mechanical engineer point of view, he's supposed to analyze or identify the problems, whatever may be in the society, industry, agricultural or medical sectors. Then come up with some design mechanical aspects. That is, you have to prepare the design. Earlier, it was on the pencil and paper. Nowadays, it is shifted towards the softwares. So many 3D softwares are there, simulation softwares are there. Through that, you can analyze the design perfections and investigate what may be the faults or further modifications are required in the design to make a perfect component, or called as a machine, that is suitable for the society. So for doing this, you must require so many engineering or mechanical engineering principles to apply it, right? So this mechanical engineering, I told you, it is a versatile. It is applicable not only related to the machines, also it is applicable to the that AI ML related subjects also. right? So basically, the engineering that prepares your mind to tackle anything or any problem related to the society, right? Then come to this branch, that is mechanical and rail engineering. Why to go for this branch? What is the newness compared to the other branches, right? So obviously it has the newness because this branch is so far connected with the railway engineering. And do you know railway is the backbones of India's economy, right? Railway is the backbones of India's economy for general, for poor people. Railway is just like a vehicle to transportation for passenger as well as goods, right? So by taking with this branch or by taking this branch, you can do so many things. Just see, the robotics are there. That is the sub branch of this mechanical engineering. The solar powered water heaters are there. You might have find on your terrace. The wind tunnels are or the wind turbines are there to generate the electricity. These are all our mechanical connected projects or sub branches. The electric bikes or cars are there. The 3D printing that is most useful in the industry, right? The hydraulic cranes, jabs, even though the cars are there, automated conveyors are there, the railways is by default there, right? The renewable energy sources, the drone facility. You might have seen the drone is most important in the IPL matches also, that is in crickets, right? So everything it is connected with the mechanical engineering, and these are the machines. These are the machines. Even though we have used the AI, ML, data science in these robotics or machines, but we cannot forget the core part, the core procedure or action of these machines, right? So by taking admission into this branch, you are able to, you can explore such kinds of so many projects, you can work so many industries related to this project. So which major subjects are covered in this? That is obviously the mechanics, that is engineering mechanics, thermodynamics. The thermodynamics is very much related to the heat transfer, the thermodynamic principles, somewhat related to the heat and temperature, right? The fluid mechanics, that is the flow through pipes, the flow through open channels. Obviously, it is more important. Along with this mechanical engineering subject, the railway engineering subjects are also more important. That is track technology, railway track engineering, rolling stock engineering, control and safety systems provided in the railway related sectors. So all these subjects, these are the basic subjects which are we going to cover in the mechanical and rail engineering sector. So once student is admitted into this course, he has to study all these subjects. So many subjects are there, but here I have mentioned only few subjects. So what skill you will gain after getting this course? Obviously, as an engineer, you will have a problem solving ability. That is, you have to think it. What is the problem? You can find it and solve it. So for solving, you have to use it different tools. Maybe design tools, that is CAD tool, MATLAB tool. Again, various softwares like is you can say COMSOL, simulation softwares that is ANSYS, right? CATIA, Pruvi. So many softwares are there to make it comfort for design, right? Then again, what you learn in this stream, locomotive systems, that is knowledge of railway transportations. Locomotive, that is knowledge of railway transportations. Which are the different railways are there? What is their use? That is, you can see the passenger railways are there, the good transport railways are there, right? So the different railways are there. What are their different structures? That is maintenance in the railway structure, career in the railway, design in the railway, heat transfer, that is HVAC engineer in the railway, right? And again, the safety skills you are going to study in this mechanical and rail engineering course. Do you know why railway always stands out or why Indian Railway always stands out? Because this railway provides the biggest passenger facility in India. around 23 million passenger travels daily in India. So 23 million passenger, that means it is the size of population in the Australia, right? That is almost 2.3 crore, right? Again, the biggest transport network provides the railway in the India. That is over 68 kilometers of rail track are spread over the India, which joins one corner of India to another corner. That is right from, you can say, the that Jammu Kashmir to the Kanyakumari, right? Again, it provides the largest employer, that is almost 1.2 million employees. That is the largest facility, passenger facility, network facility, as well as the largest employer facility. So why should we not think to go for the mechanical and rail course, right? Again, this graph, one model has been shown over here, which is generated in 2023, that shows in India the people are taking the ticket, that is expenditure on the ticket is, just see the train ticket, almost 297 crore, which is higher than the bus ticket, other tickets, as well as the flight tickets. So this model shows you the railways has a high potential in sector of employer as well as employee, right? So which are the different companies that are available in the engineering, specifically for the mechanical and manufacturing companies? That is, you might be knowing this Larsen and Turbo, that is called as the L&T, Tata Group. So basically, Tata Group, they have made different projects. They handle the steel related, they handle the motors related. That is, Tata Groups have a big group, right? The Siemens India is the another company. The Alstom India, the Alstom is related to the mechanical as well as it is related to the railway related sectors. The Thermax, which manufactures the refrigerator as well as the air conditioning, right? Air conditioner. The Godrej, the Kirloskar is very famous for manufacturing the pump. If I'm not wrong, then this Kirloskar is the Asia's third largest pump manufacturing company. And do you know this pump is very useful in the railway? How you are using the water system in the railway in bathrooms, right? Because of the pumps, Then again, this bell, that is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that is very useful in the mechanical as well as in the railway sectors. This bell company not only manufactures the electric drives but also manufactures the railway related components. The Ashok Leylands, our so many buses are made by the, that is Maharashtra buses are made by the Ashok Leyland, right? Ashok Leyland is the another group which manufactures the buses as well as the cars. The Mahindra, that is another name of another big name who is taking the mechanical engineers in case of, that is for placement point of view, right? So if you go for real specific companies, so I have listed over here few foreign companies and very few for Indian company. What it or what does it shows? That is, there is very much opportunity to do the career in the railway because very few Indian companies are there that manufacture rail bogies, coaches, rail motors, rail infrastructures, that is Bharat Rail Automations Limited, then Rail Tech Corporation of India, right? Sensors technology in India. But if you see, there again a huge opportunity to make a career in the railway sector in foreign localities. Just see the USA, Switzerland, China, right? So many Arab countries are there. That is, few companies are there. That is almost Hitachi company is there, which manufactures metros, rail techs, railway tracks. Siemens Mobility is also there, that is manufacturing signaling as well as train specific components, electrification, that is electric related things. Nowadays, the trains are electric one. Earlier it was on coal, then it is modified, it is shifted to the diesel. Nowadays the rails are on electricity. In future, maybe using their fuel cells or hydrogen fuels, maybe nuclear nuclear powers, right? So such kinds of innovations always would be there. So this shows as so many companies are there in the foreign to make a career related railway, and also Indian railways are also there. You can see some of the companies are also there, that is metro. Nowadays the very famous metro, which are in the Pune, Nashik, Aurangabad, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, right, Delhi. So this metro first it was introduced in the Delhi, right? So L&T is also there. That is what you think the metro is totally government sector? No, metro is made by combination of government and public, or you can say a private, right? So public, that means the share taken by the Reliance, the share taken by the L&T. That is, suppose L&T is there, so L&T combining with government sector, they have formed the L&T Metro Rail Corporation Limited in the Hyderabad. That is what may be the metro in the Hyderabad. It is the combination of L&T and government sector, right? So again, the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India, this is the Indian Railway. Then PEML, that is makes railway coaches and metro trains. So many sectors are there, right? Not only in government, but also in private sectors, the metro offers so many opportunities, right? So which are these opportunities? You can see after career or after graduations, what kind of role you will be assigned in the industry. That is, mechanical engineers or mechanical and rail engineers have a possibility to join railways and work as locomotive design engineer, to work as maintenance engineer, to work in a R&D sectors, to work as a project engineer for so many metro projects or rail systems. That is, right now the metros are there in metro cities, that is Pune, Bombay, Hyderabad, Delhi. So after few days, such kinds of metro will be localized. So for expansion of the metros in India, so many engineers are required to work as a locomotive design engineer, locomotive pilot, maintenance engineer, project engineer. So it provides so much opportunity in a career. Uh, Public sector's opportunities in the railways. We can see the UPSC commission is also there. The RRB, that is Railway Recruitment Board exams, are also there to go in a government sectors. DMRC, that is Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. PMRC, that is Bangalore Metro Rail Corporations, are also there. These are the public as a project engineer, train engineer, maintenance engineer, loco pilot. The Bharat Heavy Electricals, the sales, that is one of the biggest company, right? That SAIL stands for Steel Authority of India. The DRDO is also there. The ISRO is also there, who takes the mechanical engineers, right? Apart from private sector is also there. In private sectors, so many companies and industries are there who are looking for the manufacturing of rolling stocks, manufacturing of the railway bogies, railway platforms, railway related coaches, right? In automotive industries, that is, I told you, L&T, Mahindra, General Motors, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland. Consulting, in you can join also the consulting, that is infrastructure related consulting, right? Then railway signaling and automation firms. These are the private sectors. Again, one more biggest opportunity why to join these mechanical and rail engineering sectors, right? You can see here. In future, the India is planning high-speed train or high-speed railways. Right now, we have Vande Bharat. and Vande Bharat speed is approximately 120 to 160 kilometer per hour. But do you know the China has the highest speed train, that goes round about 350 kilometer per hour. Japan has second highest speed train, right? So India is also planning. India is also planning. Why to increase the speed? To again reduce the human efforts, right? To make transactions very smoothly. Water may be the passenger transaction, water may be the transportation facility, right? Right now, from Dubai to India, the government has planned to make a railway track, right? So this is again a biggest opportunity to work or to join this opportunity through this 4-year degree course. Smart trains, again, more important. Smart trains, that is, Internet of Things are used in these cases for smart communication, for smart sensor. So these sensors are very useful to give the information related to the humidity, temperature, pressure, velocity, which is happening in the or which is related in the train, right? Again, AI, see again, artificial intelligence in the rail, that is to provide automation or to automate the operations. For example, train scheduling, ticketing, deciding ticket pricing, track fault. So many things are there. Wi-Fi technology, signal technology. To automate all this, the AI is very useful in the railway, right? After graduation, there are again opportunities in the higher education. That is, you can join or you can go for the post graduation, that is MTech. You can join as an MBA for specifically if you want to get the railway projects. If you want to work in the research, then you can go for the PhDs, right? These are the top Indian institute. And note one thing here, specifically, I want to show that only few universities or institutes are there in India. But if you see in Maharashtra, only one institute is there, that is MIT. That is MIT College of Railway Engineering and Research, Barshi, which provides the railway focus career or railway focus branch in the Barshi Solapur district, right? But this is a very unique opportunity. This is a unique opportunity in the Maharashtra. But out of Maharashtra, few IITs are there. One institute is there in Vadodara. One institute is there in Jamalpur, right? So this again provides a very big opportunity. That is, those who are from Maharashtra, they are easily accessible to MIT, right? And again, those who are out of Maharashtra also through JEE, they can admit to the MIT. So JEE is the exam which is given by after 12th standard. These are the top foreign universities that offers railway related curriculum, that is Germany, US, Netherlands. In the Netherlands, Delft University is there, that is famous university that offers railway related focuses or curriculum. That is UK is also there. Then why MIT College of Railway Engineering stands, or why to get admission for this MIT College of Railway Engineering? Because this college has a very good curriculum, dedicated railway related facility. The faculty which are over here, they have 15 plus experience teaching as well as industry. We provide the industry types, MOUs for industrial training, internships. Again, so many labs are there where students can get benefited what actually happens in the railway related curriculum or railway related sectors. We also provides training to the students for third year as well as final year students. We also provides internships. Again, visits are there. So many visits we have organized or will be beneficial for to actual what's going in the industry or to bridge the gap between theoretical as well as the practical knowledge, right? The MIT College of Railway Engineering also offers a very recruitment, or it will actively recruit the students in various roles, right? And also provides the handsome salary for the students. Our student says the career is very impressive. Once joining to the MIT, it provides immediate placement. The practical learning is again a very good in the MIT College of Railway Engineering, right? So at last, what is the eligibility criteria to take the admission in MIT College? Basically, the student should have passed the 12th science with PCM required. PCM, it is physics, chemistry, mathematics. If it is a open category student, then he required 40% marks, that is at least 135 marks out of 300 for PCM. And if it is in category, then he should require 120 marks out of 300. So students are supposed to give the examinations, that is MST CET for the Maharashtra students, and those out of Maharashtra, they must have to appear for the JEE exam to get the admission for this 4-year degree course. Then how to apply? So the website is over here, www.mitcorer.edu.in. Apply through cap rounds. 3 cap rounds are there for Maharashtra students. So you can enroll via MHD CET as well as JE, and you can apply through cap process. The admissions are currently open for batch 2025-26. Here are the email IDs, the department email IDs, as well as the college email ID. And if you want to reach out for further guidance and counseling, then the contacts are provided over here. You can reach out to by using these mails or contacts for easily access. So with this, I would like to say here that is not thank you, but I welcome all 12th standard students to get admit to this newly started course, where you can get benefited from mechanical as well as from railway related curriculum, and who will be very, or it will be very useful to grow your career in the society. So thanks once again for the management as well as the college for giving me this opportunity to present the career opportunities in mechanical and related course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening session. We have two questions with us.
Yeah, sure.
That is from the attendees. The first question is, how is the role of mechanical engineer evolving, and what skills should students focus on to remain relevant in case of the AI integration in industries that is related to automation? How
Yeah.
the student can remain relevant to the industries with increasing automation and AI integration in industries?
Yeah, of course. So basically, sir, this is more important question. That is how mechanical engineering is connected to the railway related courses. So you might have seen in railway, so many systems are there, right from air conditioning, right from pump facility, right from fan facility. So many things are there where we are using the thermodynamic principle as well as the fluid mechanics principles. Suppose you are using the pump, then you have to use the fluid dynamics. Suppose you are using the air conditioning, you have to use the thermodynamics. Suppose you are using the electric traction, that is right now the railways are running on the electric motors. So you must require the track as well as the control systems, which are going studied in the mechanical engineering, and these fundamentals are applicable in railway sectors. And as far as considering to the AI technology, right? So looking to the AI, so AI is automation or automates the processes. So it is very useful to study the different pressures, velocity of this train, the temperature in the engine by using the AI monitoring or artificial monitoring. As well as this AI is also useful for communication sector. That is there any track fault? Is there any passenger problem? then you can use this AI sector to solve this problem.
Thank you, sir. There is one more question, and I think the last question. What are the various career paths available in Indian Railways and metro rail sectors for mechanical engineers, and how can one prepare for them?
Yeah, obviously. So in the railway related, if you so for concerning the government, then RRB exam is also there, right? As well as the UPSC exams is also there. Apart from in the private as well as the public domain, the locomotive engineer is there. That is, once I told you at the first, once the engineering has been done, that is, he gains a knowledge to prepare any problem or any problem related to the society. So as far as concerning to the railway related courses or railway related, the locomotive design engineer is there after mechanical engineering. The maintenance engineer is also there to maintain the railway track, the railway coaches, bogies, shock absorbers, electric motors, that is maintenance of all these things. Then R&D sector is also there to design, fabricate the railway related facilities. That is how comfort gives to the passengers, right? So including all seats, all coaches, everything it will be covered in this R&D roles. Then metro systems. Right now, everywhere you can see the project is ongoing. That is Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune, Nashik, Aurangabad. After this metro or metropolitan cities, it is going to be localized. And once it is localized, everywhere there is a tremendous opportunity in the railway sectors. So as a mechanical engineer, they can join as a locomotive engineer, maintenance engineer, project engineer on these metro sectors. So it will be a very huge opportunity to grow their career.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insightful answer also.
Yeah,
So, as now we are moving towards the end of our session, I want to sincerely thank our today's speaker, Dr. Sanjay Mane, sir, attendees and organizing team for making this webinar a success. A special thank you to our expert panel for that is Dr. Sanjay Mane, sir, for sharing his wisdom and motivating future engineers to explore rewarding and impactful careers. Before we log off, we request all the participants to please have to please get more for getting more information. You may contact us directly, and you can also contact Dr. Sanjay Mane, sir, so that he will give you more information regarding it. With this, I'm Dr. Sakre signing off from today's webinar on career opportunities in mechanical and rail engineering. Stay curious, stay passionate, and keep building the future. I request our technical team to please Pasaidan, and I declare that after Pasaidan, our webinar will be at the ending session. Thank you. I think there is some technical issue. So with the permission of dignitaries and the higher authorities, I declare that today's webinar is over. Thank you.
thank you, sir.